welcome to Darjeeling. और बीच में ऐसे So hello guys, good morning everybody and welcome back to my channel PN Vlogs, and I hope that everyone is keeping fine. So today we are planning for a ride, that is a ride to Darjeeling. We'll be exploring Darjeeling for 2 days. So everyone is ready now, everything is being packed. So guys, finally we have reached here at Patgaon toll gate, and I would like to share one thing. The most advantage about the rider is that you don't have to pay any toll tax. It is very advantage. And not only that, whenever you are stuck in the traffic, that time also you can just you can make a way out of anywhere and you can just escape from that situation. There are advantages as well as disadvantages of being a rider. So finally we have reached this one. Okay, what was the name? Okay, this is Srirampur gate. So this is Srirampur. Welcome to Srirampur, and we are about to reach West Bengal. West Bengal might be around 2 or 3 kilometers away from this place exact. Guys, finally we are inside West Bengal. Yes, now we have entered inside West Bengal, and as soon as you enter, this is how it looks. So West Bengal में आपको स्वागत है guys. So finally entering to another state from Assam, and still we have to travel another 200 something kilometer. So guys, finally we have entered in West Bengal, just like I said before, and we have stopped by in one of the dhaba. I don't know exactly what is the name. This Doors Dhaba, and we'll be having our breakfast here, and after breakfast we'll meet you back in the motor vlog. Okay guys, so guys, we just did our breakfast and now we are heading towards Darjeeling. I mean, we had completed around 85 kilometers, and after doing 85 kilometers we did our breakfast, and now again we'll ride for 100 kilometers. I mean, we'll ride another 100 kilometers and we'll take some rest. Again we'll take another again after stopping there we'll ride another 100 kilometers. So this is again another toll gate. So far we came across 3 toll gates. What is the name of this toll gate? It is called Guwabari toll gate. Alright guys, you can see the view. So this is the first tea garden we have seen in West Bengal, and there are a lot of tea garden in Darjeeling, and everybody knows that Darjeeling is famous for the production of tea. Yes, and as per my knowledge, it is also said that Darjeeling exports a lot of tea in foreign countries. And I also heard that 1 kg is costing around 60,000, 70,000. Let's see the view. Oh, you see, there's a lot of monkeys on the way. Hello, uncle. So guys, finally we have reached this bridge. It is known as Coronation Bridge. See, let's see what kind of bridge it is. This is my first time. So alright guys, now we have reached here at Coronation Bridge. Sorry, I was about to pronounce Corona. So this bridge is called Coronation Bridge, okay, and you will see a river down there, and that river is known as Tista River. And from there, there is the division of road which diverges to Siliguri, and left side goes to Siliguri and the right side goes to Darjeeling. So guys, you keep on watching, I'll show you the way. So guys, mana reason or decide you can go Siliguri, and decide you can go towards Kalimpong, and you can also visit Darjeeling, decide. अरे भाई भाई कैसा रास्ता है. So guys, if you come to Darjeeling, और बीच में ऐसे खराब रास्ता मिलेगा, और कोरोनेशन ब्रिज पार करने के बाद वो बीच में थोड़ा वो खराब रास्ता मिलेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं. And most of the road is good. Wow, 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 क्या रास्ता है भाई, मक्कन है मक्कन. अभी तो मज़ा आया, बाइक चलने में मज़ा आया. अभी वो रास्ता देखो ना अभी. अरे भाई भाई, oh, it's little bit slippery here. Needs to be careful. Pap re pap. Whoa, 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 whoa. So guys, actually we made a mistake. Like, instead of coming to this route, we took the wrong route and we went ahead around 7 kilometers. We have wasted a lot of time. Again, we have to come back 7 kilometers and we have to turn again. This happened because nobody was checking the GPS. That's why we got lost somewhere. And now we are on the right track. OMG. Oh, what a place. धीरे धीरे ठंड होने लगा, क्योंकि I mean because we are riding in higher altitude and it's feeling something like what the weather is changing constantly and we can feel the cool breeze. Oh, I think Darjeeling might be cooler than this place, because still Darjeeling is 17 kilometers away from this place. Still we have to go around 17 kilometers. Whoa. We rode around 9 hours. I think we might take around 10 hours to reach Darjeeling, because riding in a hilly region, it consumes a lot of time, because there used to be a lot of what to say, I mean, there is a lot of zigzag, or you can say there is a lot of curves, and you should be very careful and you should be cautious while riding in hilly areas. Guys, finally we have reached Darjeeling, and on the right side you have seen one station, that is the GoPro station. And we all know that this GoPro station, wait, okay, I'm just explaining you. So this is the GoPro station, and this is one of the highest mountain station in Darjeeling. It is around 2,200 something feet above the sea level. And you, so guys, we have finally reached our hotel, and it took around 9 hours and 30 minutes to reach at Darjeeling. I mean, into the hotel which we booked yesterday. And this is our hotel room. We have come inside, and I'll show you the room. You see, this is the bedroom. This bedroom is for 2 persons, and you can see the washroom. You see the washroom. This is our washroom. So alright guys, good evening everybody, and after refreshment we came here just to hang out. And this place is known as, I actually forgot the name, but it is one restaurant. Just we came to, and you can see the background, how beautiful. You see how beautiful it looks, and I'll show you. You see the view.